Welcome back. In this session, we'll explore some modeling tools. Let's start by switching our workspace to modeling standard. Once we change the workspace, you will see the modeling toolkit. Let's begin with the combine tool. First, take a cylinder and cube from the modeling shelf. Select both the object and click on the combine button. Now both the objects are combined into a single object. In the outliner, you will notice some groups have been created. By deleting the history, you can clean up the outliner. To separate the object, use the separate tool, which will break the combined object into individual elements. Next, let's look at the smooth tool. This tool will smooth the mesh known as smooth mesh. However, by pressing 3 on the keyboard, the object will appear smooth, but this is not an actual mesh smooth. You will see the difference on the left side, the object smoothed by pressing 3. The only appears smooth. While on the right side, the mesh smooth actually smooth the mesh. Now let's see how Boolean works. Take a sphere and cube. Scale the cube and intersect it with the sphere. Click on the Boolean attribute to open the options. There are multiple Boolean operations like union, difference, intersection, and so on, which you can use it as needed. Once you are happy with the output, delete the history. We also have tools for working with components. For example, we can use the Extrude tool to select the extrude faces. In Extrude, there are options to adjust thickness, local translate Z, offset, and divisions. You can also extrude face using the gizmo. Now let's check out the Bevel tool. Create a cube. Click on Bevel and you will see that all the edges are beveled. There are settings like fraction, segments, depth, and more. You can also apply the bevel to specific edges by selecting them individually. Next, let's explore the bridge tool. First, combine two cubes, select the faces you want to bridge and click on the bridge. You will see that the faces between the cubes are connected. You can add a division by increasing the divisions values. The multi-cut tool allows you to insert edge by holding down a control as you click, which will insert a new edges. You can also draw an edge with this tool. The Target Weld Tool is useful for merging vertices, and the Connect tool will connect selected edges. In the upcoming session, we will cover up the quadra tool. This concludes our session on the modeling toolkit. I hope this session has helped you to gain a fundamental understanding on these modeling tools. Thank you everyone.